Hey buddy, today in this video we're making beef stew in the slow cooker. Let's begin. We have here some beef for stew. It's lowered over 3 pounds. You can use chuck roast and cut it into chunks and that'll be the same. We're going to sprinkle some salt on the beef. There you go. And some black pepper. We're going to saute the beef first. We're going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. And now we're just going to add just a little bit over 3 pounds of beef. Try to brown up the beef. Okay, we browned up the beef. Let's pick it up. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. We just want to brown it up. Now we're going to put it into the crock pot. Okay, we lightly browned up and sauteed the beef. And now let's saute the onions. We're going to add some more olive oil again. Spread the oil around. And now we're going to add 2 cups of chopped up white onions. Brown up the white onions. Okay, we nicely browned up the white onions. We're going to put it into the slow cooker. Okay, we're going to mix the onions in with the sauteed beef. Looking good. Next, we're going to add 2 pounds of red potatoes, cut up. The brand of the red potatoes we're using is Green Giant. Next, we're going to add 3 cups of chopped up carrots. We'll be adding 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tablespoons of better than bouillon, sauteed onion. 1, 2. 132 ounce of beef broth. There you go. 1 cup of red wine, Cabernet Sauvignon. Go. We need 1 cup. 1/6 ounce of tomato paste. 1.5 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. 1.5. 1 tablespoon of thyme. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Half tablespoon of carrot seed. 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Half tablespoon of black pepper. For some heat, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And lastly, we're going to add 3 bay leaves. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take everything and stir it all together. There we go, everything is mixed in nice and even. This is what it looks like before we close it up. We're going to turn it on high and we'll be back in 4 hours. Okay, it's been cooking for 4 hours on high and let's put it on warm. Looking good. We're going to thicken up the sauce. We have here a 1/4 cup of water and we're going to put around 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. 2.5. Make sure the cornstarch and water mixture is mixed in nice and well. And now let's thicken up the sauce. We're going to pour it in. I'll pour half of it in for right now. And stir it in. Pour the rest. If you want the sauce thicker, you can add more or less, depending on your preference. It's not thick enough, so we're just going to add just a little bit more cornstarch and water mixture. Okay, it's looking good. Once you get the gravy to the desired thickness, we're going to add some chopped up parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today, beef stew made in a slow cooker. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.